Hi everyone, today we're playing this or that with the Mr. Coffee versus the KitchenAid coffee makers. I do want to know that they both make the exact amount of coffee. The limit to both is 12 cups, so let's get started. First up, we got Mr. Coffee. It is super easy and simple to use. You have the brew strength, which you can regulate between regular and strong. You have a timer that you can let it know when you want to brew your coffee, and you can also just turn it on by one button. I absolutely adore it. The top is super easy to fill. It has a swivel head as well, and again, can make 12 cups of coffee. Let's move on over to the KitchenAid. The KitchenAid is a little bit different. It does have a detachable water container, so you can take it out and take it to your sink and fill it just like that, and then put it back on by sliding it over, which makes it super easy to add water. But if you want to bring the water to the coffee maker, no problem. The top comes off and you can put water in that way. That in itself is such a great advantage of the KitchenAid, and I absolutely adore it. It also has a spiral shower head, as you can see here, and it comes with a built-in filter. Now, you don't have to use this one, but you can if you choose to, or you can use a regular coffee filter. On the side, it has a small display, as you can see, where you can regulate whether you want a bold coffee. You can also change the plate temperature and timer and keep it warm for a while. It also has a brew and cancel button, which can also be found here at the front. So whether you place it front or sideways, you can always make coffee by just touching one button, which I think is super thoughtful. It also has 2 auto sets, so you can have coffee made twice a day for you. So I definitely think the KitchenAid is the sleeker of the two, and if you're looking to upgrade your coffee maker, this one is a great option. However, if you're looking for something that is simple, efficient, and gets the job done, Mr. Coffee is a great one to choose. So which one would you buy, the KitchenAid or the Mr. Coffee coffee maker?